How to create account on Hostgator. Now before we start, make sure to check out this video description if you want to get a huge discount on Hostgator. Now in order to create your account on Hostgator, what you're gonna have to do is simply choose any of the available uh, tools from Hostgator. So as you can see, if you want, you can get the shared hosting. You can basically build a website. So you're gonna have to simply choose any of these. So as you can see, I'm gonna choose this one here for hosting, and I'm gonna go with this plan here. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply choose your domain, and after that you're gonna have to simply create your Hostgator account. So simply enter your email address, confirm your email address, and enter your password, and that's it. Then of course you're gonna have to pay, and then simply scroll down and click on checkout now. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.